So hey everybody, it's Erin Reed and Catherine with Erin Reed Makes, and today we're going to take a look at the orange art box. You want to open it up, Catherine? All right, open away. Ooh, all right, I'm going to move the box over to the side. And you place all the things in here.
A bug jar.
It looks like it's a bug jar, but you can decorate it to be a bug. And this one looks like it's supposed to be decorated like a what?
Bee.
A bee. So we'll definitely have to make that. And then what else we got?
This.
Oh, we got our information book that tells us how to make all the crafts. Ooh, what are these kits? These are cool. Oh, felt bug craft kits.
Ooh,
and we have a blue and we got a blue one. We got a whole bunch. We got 4 of these. Look at this. You got 4 little bugs you can make. It looks like a ladybug.
Ladybug.
What's that one?
Grasshopper.
A grasshopper? We'll have to make them and find out. All right, what's that?
There's stickers that you can color.
Stickers that we can color. Oh, and I want you to touch them.
They're fuzzy.
Are they fuzzy?
Yeah, they're fuzzy.
They're fuzzy stickers. How fun. And look, there's a ton of sheets in there. Look at that.
Yeah, we have so many sheets.
Look at that. That is so cool. All right, and so obviously to color those, what else do you got?
We have the markers.
New markers. Yay. Oh, and then what else can we use the markers with? Stencils. Look at the fun bug stencils. Look how cool these are. Look
There's
how
a
cool.
butterfly.
There's all different kinds of bugs. Look at those. So cool. Then what else do we have? We have googly eyes and a clip.
We can make our own book with this string. We can use
That's
that.
right. Look at that. So you get, how many sheets are in here? All right, so we get 6 sheets. It looks like 6. Yep, 6 sheets of paper. It already has a hole punch, and my guess is that.
But you use the ring and put it in here when you're done using your book.
So what can you put in your book, do you think?
Bugs, the stencils, and the stickers.
The stencils and the stickers?
And you can glue some of these bugs on there.
I guess if you wanted to. So look, you got a little book. That is so fun, and you can hang your book this way. Or you could have your book go this way, or so many fun ways. We got little finger puppets. Oh, we got extra googly eyes. Maybe we could put little googly eyes on our stencil. Yeah, okay.
And we got butterfly.
Oh, how fun! I thought I saw some other. Oh, and they're hiding in your hand. Look at that.
You can prank your friends with these.
You can prank your friends with little bugs. I think the theme for this box is bugs. What do you think? Yeah. And then we
got little glue dots.
So we got some glue dots to maybe hold some things together. Maybe if you want to glue things into your book, or just maybe we need them for the bug jar. We'll find out. I'm sure all the information is in our little book over here. So that is so fun. It's all about bugs. And can you use the markers in your book and decorate? Yeah, and then you can use them with the stencils.
You can make your own bugs out of markers.
You could make your own bugs out of markers. You could just draw them yourself.
Without the stencils and stuff.
Yeah, you could have all kinds of fun. And you could definitely color some of these bugs, right? And put them in your book too.
And flowers and decorations.
So much fun. This looks like a blast. All right, so are you ready to play and have some fun?
Yeah, I was going to do the stickers in the book.
You want to do the stickers in the book? That sounds like fun. So thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the orange art box for August, which is all about bugs. And as you can tell, my daughter is super into it. I mean, look at this. You can't, oh, look, it's adorable. Oh, my finger's too big for that. Your finger's perfect. That is so much fun. If you would like your own box, links are down below where you can find your orange art box subscription. Don't forget to please subscribe and hit that bell button for further notifications, and we'll see you guys again later. And don't forget, at the end of this will be some example projects that we have made from this, so stay tuned for those pictures. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye, everybody.